Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2017 Toyota 86 GTS. This vehicle sustained damage to the right hand front. This shape ran from the 4th month 2012 to current. This vehicle is fitted with an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a rear-wheel drive 6-speed manual transmission. We have the left-hand headlights, left-hand fog light with surround, left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand front door, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand front door. Right-hand power door mirror. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior. Has a tidy center console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy manual transmission gear stick, factory climate control AC controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor. Has a tidy right-hand sun visor. Manual transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.